Recently, Ecosystem hosted an executive roundtable for BFSI organizations here in Singapore, supported by our partners IBM. Today, I will be chatting with the IBM leaders who shared their insights during the session to get their post-event thoughts. First up, let me welcome Sena Periasamy, IBM consulting leader for the region for data and AI. There was a very vibrant conversation that we had on the day. So I would like you to summarize the key takeaways for you.
The discussion started with generative AI capabilities as expected. And the execs who attended were very keen to understand the potential use cases for generative AI. While they were excited about the possibilities, they were also raised some kind of doubt about the privacy and the security aspects of the generative AI. The discussion then went to the explainability and the trustworthiness of the AI solutions output and how to address the same. So we discussed some ideas around how do we address the explainability part and the trust aspects of AI solutions. We talked a lot about the data quality because that's the backbone of any AI solution. Very interestingly, all of them brought out the point on the skills shortage. I also made a note of the discussions around ROI and how one can choose the right business problems to address. We also discussed about the need for a trusted partner who can guide with expertise, skill sets from a talent angle, and also proven experience.
We also have with us Purushothama Shenoy, CTO for IBM Technology Sales. Puru, during the session, you spoke about IBM's client engineering team and how they're bringing value to customers with agility and speed. Can you please share some of that here with our larger audience as well?
So IBM client engineering is really about proving value through outcome-driven solutions. So it's an IBM investment to jointly innovate and rapidly prove solutions to customers' business opportunity by leveraging IBM's hybrid cloud and AI technologies. It's really about two key aspects. One, innovating to define the value in ours, and then co-create value and build a minimum viable product to showcase how these ideas can be brought into life, right? So we call build to prove the value in weeks. So it's really a no-cost multidisciplinary team and expertise to jointly innovate and rapidly prove solutions, using IBM technologies. So in the discussion, we talked about run the bank and chain the bank. So the chain the bank is where really client engineering adds a lot of value because any new use cases we need to deliver as part of chain the bank. This is exactly where we co-create with our clients to quickly show a specific use case and show the value.
And last, but definitely not the least, we have Vinay Pamnani, FSS client partner at IBM Consulting. Vinay, during the session, you shared some very interesting data points that our participants really enjoyed. Do you want to share some of that for our larger audience as well?
So as part of IBM, right? So one of the pillars that IBM has, right, is our research team, which had recently conducted a CDO study or a Chief Data Officer study, bringing together views from over 3,000 CDOs from 30 countries, 29 industries, right? And of which 450 of those CDOs were from banking and financial markets. So it was, as you can imagine, right, there were some really great insights that came out from this study, right? So one of which I think was very relevant and pertinent to the conversations that were going across the table, right? That in a CDO's role, it's no longer kind of viewed as a silo. 68% of the CDOs in banking and financial markets are also responsible for ensuring data security. Another interesting observation was that 53% of CDOs are responsible for aligning the strategy of data and analytics with business. So again, another pointed example of kind of working collaboratively with a chief digital officer, the chief product officer, or the heads of businesses to kind of make sure that in order to kind of bring forth products and services, you need to think about data and you need to incorporate that conversation right up front and not sort of an afterthought.
For more information on IBM's data and AI capabilities for BFSI, please click on the QR code on the screen.